Hello, thank you for clicking on this 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. This is a one-owner freshwater boat. You can see a manual tower with a floor Bimini. The previous owner has put fender storage on the rear rail system. We have a rear swim seat, stainless steel boarding ladder, powered with a Mercury 250 Verado. This has 45 hours on it. Very gently used. It is a 2020. Has the upgraded floor system, the rear lounger, stereo controls, onboard charger, tower speakers, Solstice interior, charge ports in every cup holder, large Simrad screen, digital throttle, digital shift, wireless phone charger on the helm, upgraded JO audio system with subwoofers, in-floor storage, change house, valve filler seat, rear view mirror, glove box up top. This is a brokerage boat listed at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Thank you.